got you, you glorious bastards. Okay, I'm trying not to scare it away, but it'll probably be scared off. These guys are very scared. I'm probably gonna get hit by a truck. I'm actually where they filmed the Macklemore video with his grandma. If you see that video where they're driving on the road in the convertible, that's this road. There's the water. But look, American bald eagle. Love it. Glorious bastard. Hello? I bet you know Bigfoot. I'll bet you know Bigfoot. I gotta get closer. I've got to get closer. I feel like I want to crawl, to be honest. Because there's two of them. I think I saw two of them. Okay. I feel like not even looking at it. Like if I look down, it won't fly away. I don't know. Like I've been really looking for you. I want to get a good shot. Glorious. These things are just glorious. They're big, powerful beaks. Their talons are the size of my hands. Okay. Getting closer, guys. No! Damn it! I'm so upset. I'm so upset. I was so close. Why didn't I just stop when I was ahead? Oh shoot, it's coming this way. That would be a good thumbnail, guys. I'm shaking. It's looking at me. I'm interacting with it. Hello? You look thirsty, buddy. No, I'm sorry. These birds just don't like me. He's like, I am unsubscribed. Peace. Beautiful. I'm gonna find you. I'm coming for you, buddy. I'm gonna find you wherever you go. I always do. Very elusive. Where'd it go? Back over there. Oh, I see it. I see you. See, darn. Well, I don't know how I would get through here. I like to obey the rules. But check it. Okay, see it? Thought it went in that tree. Oh, darn it. It was right there, guys. And there is just one of them. Right? Maybe we'll find more, though. Oh, I see it. Big bastard. Oh, that's as good as it gets. All those trucks and everything, nothing scared it away. But I did. See how big they are? Beautiful. You can see the sucker from all the way over here. Jeez. They're big birds. Big, beautiful birds. Oh, man. I'd sure like to go over there. But it would fly away. They're like all the other animals.